Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, Brief Scanner version 1.2, I'm going to show you another great tool that you'll want to take advantage of today. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone you think will benefit, and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Now, let's take a look. I'm in Eclipse 12, and in order to access my plugins, I'm going to open my plugin manager. Once I'm in the plugin manager, I'll click on Available. And today we're going to be talking about Brief Scanner, and currently version 1.2 is available. I'm going to download this plugin, and then I'm going to select it and enable it. I'll press OK and restart Eclipse. I'll choose my user, and if we look at the description for Brief Scanner, it says that it's going to add a command under the plugins menu that says Brief Scanner. It'll then allow me to select one or more ECL files, and it will identify how many strokes each word took to write. And at the end of the process, it will give me a report of all of the multi-stroke words that I may want to produce a brief for. Much like Analyze Documents, this plugin will create a file, and this one is called briefreport.txt, and this will be saved in your jobs folder. It will organize all of the suggested words by stroke count, and it will give me words from 3 to 12 strokes, and it will tell me how often they appeared in the selected materials. So I'm going to go to Plugins, Brief Scanner, and I'm going to select a number of files for it to process. I'll press OK, and we'll see Eclipse read each file and identify words that might be eligible for briefing. Once it's read through all the files, it will open the briefreport.txt. And these words are organized by stroke count, starting with 3 stroke words and moving up through the list. And we see that in this example, I only had up to 5 stroke words that were briefable. However, as stated in the description, it will offer words that take up to 12 strokes to write. Additionally, if you've written a word more than one way, it will give you both or all of the strokes that you've used to write that word. You can use this list of words to identify things that you may need to brief. If you've written a week's worth of documents for a trial, you can process all of those documents and identify words that you're writing with more strokes than necessary and create briefs for them to speed up your writing for future proceedings within that trial. Or you can process all of your recent work and identify things that you write very often. In the file that I selected, the word potential as 3 strokes appeared 10 times. If this is something that I can brief as a single stroke entry, then that may be beneficial to me in the long run. Potential is a pretty common word, and saving 2 strokes each time I write it will speed up my writing and help improve my accuracy. Brief Scanner again is available within the plugin store, and once it's installed, it will be located under Plugins, Brief Scanner. It's easy to use, and you can begin identifying things that you're writing a little bit too long today. Don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support can be reached for any question, anytime, including weekends and holidays, at 772-288-3266. Email support is available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button on the way out, and have a great day.